what's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I'm actually in a rush right now. We gotta go to the muffler shop. We have a brand new muffler for the Fit. I got tired of the droning. I know this was a daily and I put an exhaust on it and I undailied it. I was on the way to West Palm yesterday to Havoc Speed Shop, which is a dope ass shop. If you guys live in the area of West Palm and you want some, like, dude, they carry everything. Like, shout out to Havoc Speed. So I picked up some 2 1/4 stainless steel pipe, a new clamp because my V-band clamp is kind of booty juice, so I bought a new one. And now we're going to Mario, which is a muffler shop, to get, I don't have my keys, god darn it, to get the new muffler on. My exhaust also hits my rear sway bar, so I'm gonna get all this stuff tightened and taken care of. I'll show you once I get there, but I have the new muffler in here. If I had my damn keys, I could open it and show you what I got, because it's actually 2 1/4, which is great. But where the hell are my keys? So here is my new muffler. I got this on Amazon, 50 bucks special. I don't need nothing crazy. Hopefully it muffles. I mean, the muffling system in there doesn't look too bad. You guys probably can't see it, but this is actually 2 1/4 that goes to a 3-inch, which is cool. It should really help because basically I have a straight pipe on the car right now with vibrant resonator. You guys want to hear the noise? Watch. Here we go. It hits like right here because when I get to the Zosh shop, I'll show you guys all my problems that I'm having. Let's make voyage to the muffler shop, and hopefully Mario can squeeze me in today. I'm not calling, because if I show up, he might feel bad or whatever, you know what I mean? It's safe to call, but I gotta run that Honda anyway. So if I can't get my exhaust done today, then Monday or Tuesday, I don't know when, but we'll get it taken care of.
When I walk on my oil spiller, I miss the money with mom.
Sounds good, but I can't deal with it no more, dog. I just can't. So this is all that I got: my muffler, my stainless steel pipe, and my new V-band. I can show you guys exactly what's going on with the Fit now that we have it lifted up in the air. You can see from here that it's hitting the rear sway bar. Like, that thing is hitting it. So we're gonna have to, like, somehow tuck the whole exhaust up with that muffler. It's gonna be crazy how they do it, but hopefully it's able to be done. So Mario's saying this is all
yeah, it just doesn't fit right.
Yeah.
All the exhaust now.
Yeah.
Tell you everything fits. Muffler shop's the one that gets the shitty end of the stick, trying to fix all this crap, and then we're working twice as much, not making no money, so it kind of gets irritating.
So the issue they're having right here is that the mid pipe doesn't want to reach the I don't know, the pipe that's in front of the mid pipe. I don't know what you would call it, but the V-band isn't lining up properly. There's too much tension on it due to the front pipe. So the front pipe has way too much tension for the mid pipe to attach properly. You have to, it was just a shit show how they had to fit it to work. You'll see.
A little more for it to be fully written on the worst way. Take it off. That's the way it was. You can't drive around with this hanging out the bottom. You have to flip it around and tell you it's going to go that way. I mean, this thing, right how you got it right now, that's where the pipe wants to be.
I wonder why. So the exhaust that I bought turns out to be probably a mistake. It does not fit. I was having issues fitting it when I first got it, but that was my fault. But I still had little issues. I'm like, I don't worry about it. I just take to Mario if something ever goes wrong. I had a broken V-band issue. The V-band quality was kind of and now Mario's basically redoing my entire, like, mid-pipe back because nothing fits how it's supposed to fit. Granted, the car is lowered, but I never had an issue where I had a stock height car and I lowered the car and it affected the whole entire fitment of the exhaust. So yeah, this exhaust purchase was not a good idea. That's why I undailied the daily and now I'm paying for it. Now, my fit is probably costing me now, well, exhaust systems wise, like $1,000, because I paid like $700 and something for the header and exhaust, and now I'm gonna probably pay like $300 and something to get everything fixed. So yeah. All right, so what Mario did, the V-band here, obviously, I mean, the clamp set was provided. I don't know, dude. He welded it, so I have no more V-band, but now it clears. Before, nothing would clear. Like, it was hitting that, it would hit that. It hits the frame, as you guys can see. I don't know if you can right there, it hits the frame. Oh, there you go, it's hitting it right now. So, like, even getting this to go down, it probably won't. You see where it bent it up right there? And I got a leak because I'm missing a nut. But yeah, man, this exhaust system, I'm probably gonna have to talk to Ethan, the guy that made the exhaust system, and tell him, so like in case he sells another one. I don't know. Like, I did everything he told me to use. Thank God for Mario, man. He's helping me out here. I'm probably like I said, like $1,000 into an exhaust system on my daily. But the header sounds cool, so give credit where it's due. The header is nice, the exhaust fitment, it could be way better.
Yeah, do it right there where it's at.
Dude, that looks good. Yeah, that's perfect. Like having like how you just had it, that's perfect. I also slotted the holes on my rear sway bar, so it clears a little bit. It clears just a little bit. It still hits, but if you're gonna run a sway bar, run the correct sway bar. Don't run a CRZ. Get a Honda Fit sway bar. All done. All I really came in for was that, and I ended up getting like a whole ass like exhaust work done. This is a sign to stay away from cars. Should sound good though. Hopefully it sounds good. Oh, much better. Huh? That's weird. Yeah. Sounds good though with the little muffler. The little $50 Amazon special. Doesn't sound too bad. Hopefully it doesn't drone on the highway. Alright, so initial impression, there's no more drone, but again, the exhaust is still hitting the frame. So I gotta live with that. I don't know if you guys can hear, like whenever I go over like a bump, like it's not stable. Like the exhaust isn't stable, so it's hitting the frame. Unfortunately, that's just that's what happens when you undaily a daily. God damn it. But yeah, my total out the door was $266. So I'm at literally $1,000 from my exhaust system. But yeah, this little $50 this is $50 Amazon muffler from what, Evil company, the Evil brand, Evil Solutions, I don't know. Shit's good, sounds good. There's no drone, I can listen to my music, have a conversation in the car. I mean, there's drone, but it's not like bad. Maybe I'm in fourth gear, let me go to fifth. Oh yeah, I'm chilling. Like, you guys can hear me probably good and well, but yeah, that's how my cookie crumbled today. Damn, dude. God damn, $266. Fucked. So yeah, if you would like to help out my idiocracy of modifying my daily driver, buy merch. That'd help a lot. It would, but what I gotta do? Stop working with cars. This is what I gotta deal with, y'all. Man, always putting me down, bro. Cause your ass gonna make my shit go straight.
It's now to be straight when you work on it. Shit box. You make it turn into a shit box.
You sleep. Don't ever disrespect my baby girl. He don't mean that. He's just a sore loser and a bitch with no daily. It's alright. Randy just mean, bruh. He don't mean that, baby girl. You're not a shit box. Look at Randy. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It's like rattling against the. I don't know if you guys can hear that.
That's exhaust.
Yeah, it's exhaust. That revert back's the rear sway bar. I just gotta put a Honda Fit rear sway bar on the car. That shit's so annoying, dude. You pay all that money just to hear that shit.
I thought you got sponsored.
He sponsored me on the cost, but I still paid $700. The header's cool. The header don't give me issues.
I don't ever shift to feel nice.
Feel good, don't it, bruh?
I need a new one, dude. I think my shit's worn out. I need new cables.
It's probably the cables.
R6 need cables, for sure. I ruined my cables. It wasn't really my fault.
Okay, so to provide you guys with some more context behind the whole ordeal of what happened at the muffler shop, I went in to get the noise fixed because it was hitting my rear sway bar, as well as it was hitting the where the spring for the coilover sits. I don't know what that's called, the rear beam. It was hitting that. It also hits near the fuel pump, as I showed you in the video. It's hitting in like every place that it bolts onto through V-band. It hits like over the axle back. It hits there. There's footage on my phone. I think there's footage on my phone, or maybe it was at the exhaust shop, where you can see where the V-band was digging into the chassis. So I went to the exhaust shop to get the new muffler on, just to muffle it. Like, I knew what I was getting with the straight pipe exhaust. Like, oh, it's gonna sound like a Subaru, cool, you know, just for the wow factor. And I was like, I drove, like I mentioned, I drove to West Palm to pick up the parts that I needed for the install, and it was droning. It's a bit drony. Like, if I take the car on a road trip, I don't want to be, you know, tone deaf because of my exhaust notes. So I bought a $50 Amazon muffler, and that cleaned it right on up. So I went there in hopes of just getting the muffler installed and fixing the rear portion. I can deal with, well, I thought I could deal with the noises, but, and, you know, as I was talking to Mario and talking to the homies, it's like, it doesn't make sense to, you pay all that money just to tolerate something. You get what I'm saying? You should have something that goes on your car and it works. It fits, there's no issues, it doesn't make no noises. You shouldn't have to spend extra money to make something work when you spent the money in the beginning. You get what I'm saying? Buy once, cry once type thing. The issue being that, like, the exhaust doesn't fit properly. I don't know what vehicle he used for mock-up. For my vehicle, it doesn't fit. Like, the header fits perfect. The header, it's money, it fits. But everything from the cat back, it's not fitting properly. Like, as you seen what Mario showed in the previous footage, like, oh, it's getting the V-band to sit properly from the mid pipe to the front pipe. It hangs, like the bottom portion where the axle back will bolt up to, it hangs lower than where the mounting is for the axle back. It's just it's terrible. It's terrible, and it sucks because I, you know, stated, when you buy something, you want it to work and you want it to fit. You don't want to end up having to spend repair money to make something that fit that you spent more money in. The thought of saying to myself, or saying out loud, like, damn, I spent $1,000 in total of an exhaust job, when this should have just costed me, you know, the $700 that I paid for the header and exhaust. Without me buying the header, the exhaust would have been like, I think $500 or $600, I think. I don't know. Like, he gave me a deal, I think 20% off the entire kit, I believe, or something like that. But imagine buying it without the discount and spending all that money just for it to not work. He seems like a great dude that takes, you know, pride in his work. He's just one of those things where, like, I got the poop in the stick because nothing works. Message him about it. I'm just waiting to see how we go about it from here. Now, I'm not trying to bash him or his business or anything of that nature, because that ain't, I'm just showing that what I'm going through. and that, you know, it just sucks. It's just one of those things that it just sucks. And hope it gets resolved. I don't know how it will get resolved. And one of the things that really sucks is that, like, now, if I want to remove my exhaust, I have to cut it and then get it re-welded on again because I don't have a V-band anymore. The V-band clamp broke because of the quality of the clamp wasn't good. And then the front V-band, like, I spent like 50 bucks on 2 V-band clamps, one from Havoc Speed and then one from Amazon, because both of the clamps broke. And I guess like the front V-band clamp broke because there's too much tension on it, routing from like the mid pipe to the from the cat, that pipe, the little S pipe, I don't know what you call it, front pipe, call it the front pipe. From the front pipe to the mid pipe, there's so much tension on it from the mid pipe to the axle back that it broke the clamp, and it's just not a good time, dude. It's not a good time. Yeah, I don't really ever make videos where like go through something where like it sucks. I usually just suck it up and deal with it myself, but I gotta stop doing that because it's just, I gotta, you know, be transparent. When shit doesn't work, shit does not work. I don't know how this will get resolved, whether it's a monetary issue or I have to take whatever I have and send it back, but I don't want to be out of my car. You get what I'm saying? I don't want to be that inconvenienced, but I guess we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated. So yeah, that is the end of today's video. Very impromptu video. Not really. I wanted to showcase the new muffler, but the negativity drowned out the positivity of this video with being the entire exhaust ordeal. And I'm not trying to, you know, throw hate or shade at anybody because I made a decision to buy the exhaust system. It's just all around a crappy situation. But again, me modifying the fit put me in this situation. It may look like I'm balling because of the whole fit stuff, but I'm not. It's cheap. The fit stuff is not that expensive. Basically doing all of this on a YouTube budget, considering my view count. Y'all see I ain't balling, bro. Like, if you ain't pulling in 20,000, 30,000 views per video, you not balling, bro. You ain't balling. The sponsors ain't coming in, nothing coming in like that. So for me to take risk and, you know, put forth my own money from side hustles and things of that nature into my car and to helping other people's businesses, it would be nice to like have stuff that works, you know. But all in all, that is this video. Whether you enjoyed it or not, I appreciate you for watching, leaving a comment, whether it's positive or negative or whatever the case. You took time out of your life to comment on something. I appreciate your time, good or bad. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. Next video should be like top 5 things you should do to your Honda Fit or something like that. Some medium easy content to make, you feel me? Because honestly, bro, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. The fit stuff is pretty much done because I don't have any interior bits like seats to do because I can't find some nice Recaro seats. And plus the bread to push out for Recaro seats are kind of expensive. And I do want a Jay's Racing Wing for the fit, but can't find that. So, yeah. But nonetheless, thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, because I'm gonna need it. Link down below to zoshmfg.com. I have oil caps, reservoir covers, t-shirts, shorts, cool shit, all right? Quality shit. With all that being said, I'm out. Peace.